How to get the most out of Alignable. Welcome to Alignable Alliance of Palm Harbor. We are a local networking group dedicated to helping small businesses in the area connect, build meaningful relationships, and foster community support. Our ambassador, Steve Liebroder, hosts online and in-person networking events for small businesses in the area. Our monthly networking socials are a great way to meet and get to know other business owners more personally. The socials are designed to be a relaxed alternative to elevator pitches and structured meet-and-greet sessions. This is where we have fun, enjoy food and drink together, do some fun events, and learn about new referral opportunities. We also offer Smart Connect Power networking sessions that bring together local Alignable members for virtual events. These sessions provide an opportunity to make meaningful connections with other business owners and create lasting relationships. Smart Connect Power networking sessions are fast, to-the-point meetings with fellow members of the Alliance with a focus on their business and their story and who would make a great referral for them. Your chance to meet a bunch of business professionals rapidly. So if you're looking for ways to grow your business, join us at our next Smart Connect Power networking session or networking social. Not in the Palm Harbor area? Join an alliance near you today.